Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to extract SharePoint multi-select choice field text values in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation features you need to work with SharePoint data. After logging in, look at the left sidebar of your screen and click on Create. This option allows you to start building a new automation from scratch. From the menu that appears, click on Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automating tasks that run based on specific triggers without manual intervention each time. When the setup window appears, click Skip. This lets you bypass the initial configuration and go straight to building your flow manually, giving you more control over each step. Next, click Add a Trigger to define what will start your automation. In the search box, type Manually Trigger a Flow and click on it when it appears. This trigger is useful for testing and running your flow on demand whenever you need it. Now it's time to add your first action. Click the plus icon to expand your options, then search for Get Items and click it. This action connects to your SharePoint list and retrieves the data you need. You'll be prompted to select a site address, so choose the SharePoint site where your list is located. After that, select the specific list name that contains the multi-select choice field you want to extract values from. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. Search for Compose and click it. The Compose action is great for manipulating and formatting data before using it in later steps. In the Inputs field, click to open the Dynamic Content panel, then click the lightning or thunder icon. From there, select the column you want to extract. This tells Power Automate which multi-select field to pull data from. Click the plus icon once more, search for Select, and click it. This action helps you transform and map data into a format that's easier to work with. In the From field, click the thunder icon again and select Body/Value. This references the items retrieved from your SharePoint list. Now in the Map section, click the Switch to Text Mode icon. This allows you to enter custom expressions for more precise data handling. Click on FX to open the expression editor, then type item open parentheses, close parentheses, question mark open bracket, single quote value, single quote close bracket, and click Add. This expression extracts the text value from each item in your multi-select field. Finally, click the plus icon one last time, search for Join, and click it. The Join action combines multiple values into a single string, which is perfect for making your data more readable. In the From field, click it and select Output from the previous Select action. Then, in the Join With field, type a comma. This will separate each extracted value with a comma, making it easy to read or use in other applications. Now you can save your automation and it's ready to run. You've successfully set up a Power Automate flow that extracts SharePoint multi-select choice field text values and formats them into a clean, comma-separated list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.